Welcome back to another interview with me, your host, Charlie Patel. Today on the show, we have Cardinal Richelieu of Paris, France. Hello, Cardinal. Today I will be conducting an interview here at the Taj Mahal, about you, and your background.
Hello, I am Cardinal Richelieu.
Why don't you tell me a little bit about when and where you were born?
I was born September 1585 right over there, in Paris, France.
Indeed. Could you tell me a little bit about your childhood?
I faced many hardships through my time as a child, illness, debt, and of course, my papa's death at my mere age of 5. I entered the College of Navarre at the age of 9, to study philosophy.
I see. Now what did you do after graduating?
After graduating, I began my training in the military. After becoming an officer in the military, I decided to become a Carthusian monk. I had very strong academic interests, and began studying very hard for my position as a monk.
Oh, a monk. Now that is a big step from military to monk, isn't it?
Yes, it surely was. But it was a necessary step I had to take in order to connect and follow my faith.
I see. You seem to be quite the dedicated man. What did you do after this?
Shortly thereafter, King Henry IV nominated me as Bishop of Lucan. As I had not met the minimum age requirement, I thought it was only right to go to Rome for a special exception from the Pope. With my exception granted, I was consecrated as Bishop of Lucan in 1607.
And a deserved honor granted to you, my friend. This must have been a great period in your life. What did you go on to achieve as bishop?
As Bishop of Lucan, I achieved the great honor of being the first to implement the institutional reforms prescribed by the Council of Trent between 1545 and 1563. I also went on to rule France as one of their greatest rulers they had ever seen. I went on to dominate during the 30 Years' War in order to keep the existence of France itself.
Okay, Cardinal, looks like that is all that we needed from you today. Thanks for coming all the way to India for this special interview.